In this video, I'm going to show you how to get crying filter on your Instagram. Check how it looks like. On that video I really looks sad, like I'm going to cry in a second, and in this video I'm gonna learn you how you can create the exact same effect on your video. First, you're gonna know that you can't do that kind of video in Instagram directly. Because there are no such filter in Instagram. For that you need to use Snapchat application. I will open that, make sure that Snapchat is the latest version, and then tap on that icon, effects, and swipe to the very right to open up Explore option. Right here, tap on Explore, and here at the search bar type crying. And here we got bunch of different effects of crying. I like that one with that icon. For my opinion, it's the most realistic. I used that. Select it. Now look at camera. I see that effect is already applying. And just tap on record button, record some video, and then I am able to save this video. For that I tap on save button. Video saved to my gallery. Let me check that. Here it is, 5-second video. And now I can open my Instagram. Tap on plus icon, select reel, and here tap on that icon to open my gallery, select video and create reel as I normally would. That is fantastic, awesome and realistic effect, and I hope you like it. So before you go, like this video and subscribe.